Hello, my beautiful friends. It's me, Rebecca Beneteau of Pleasure Evolution. It feels really good to sit down right here and meet with all of you via the airwaves because I don't know about you, but I have been just moving at the speed of light. In those last couple of weeks, everything just feels speeded up, and I've realized I really like it that way. Cool, except when I don't, right? And one of the things that's been happening is I've become aware that as we go into the holiday season, more and more of the people around me, including me, have started to get this sort of churning anxiety. And it can be about seeing family, it can be about gifts, it can be about money. Can you relate, my beautiful friends? Has any of this been going on for you, or is it just me? I doubt it. And then after, I had got myself pretty wound up, to be perfectly honest, and just running and running and doing stuff and feeling crappy and reading a book in public and bursting into tears at the sad ending. I thought, oh, wait a minute, I have some tools, and I can use a tool to check in with what's going on with me and shift it if I choose, right? Because there are, well, yes, because everything is choice. I know it doesn't always feel like that, but thoughts, feelings, and emotions that you're having, what you do with them is always a choice. So I decided to make a series of videos, and this is going to be number one, to give you some of the tools that I am using to create stress-less holidays. Sound good? All right, so today's tool is, drum roll please, who does it belong to? And this is a tool from Access Consciousness. You can find them on accessconsciousness.com. And the tool, who does it belong to, addresses the fact that most of us, most of my fans, if you're watching me, this probably includes you, are just these massive sponges. We are empaths, we are healers, and we are little gold-plated radio antennas picking up on all the thoughts, feelings, and emotions of the people around us. And 99.999% of what we think, feel, and emote don't belong to us. So when you have something coming up, you can just ask yourself, who does this belong to? And generally the answer you will get will be someone else. It doesn't matter who the someone else or something else is. Could be that your mother always got perfectionistic around the holidays, and now you're feeling perfectionistic around the holidays, right? Could be that your neighbor is worried about money and you're taking it on, trying to make it so that they're less worried about money. So what you do is you ask yourself, who does this belong to? And if you get the least of a glimmer that this is outside of you somehow, not yours, you say, return to senders, return to senders, return to senders. Say it at least 3 times, but keep saying it as many times as it takes until you start to feel a shift in the energy. Right? Who does this belong to? Now, sometimes you might be convinced that it is yours. So, interesting point of view. You can say to yourself, oh, I feel like I have to get this perfect. Interesting point of view. I have that point of view. Interesting point of view. I have that point of view. Say that until it makes you laugh. Something will cause you to shift. Yep, something will cause it to shift, and you will start to experience it as with less intensity. And that's really what we're looking for, because when you're in the intensity of a thought, feeling, or emotion, sometimes you can't see all the possible ways out. All the things that you might be able to do, you might not be able to see what it is that you're needing in this moment. But if you can get that little bit of breathing space from return to senders or interesting point of view, more possibilities will present themselves. And that's going to be another one of the tools for another one of the days. So until we meet again, my beautiful friends, remember my motto, don't do anything you don't want to do, and do what gets your panties wet. See you then. Bye.